You've tried a lot to lose weight, but haven't been able to keep the weight off. Well, today I want to give you the tools you need to help you lose serious weight, keep it off, and feel better than you have in a long time. Our good friend AD, the CEO of Dherbs.com, was on recently because their full body cleanse will help you lose that waist and lose that weight. Just take a look.
So the Dherbs full body cleanse helped me lose 53 pounds.
Wow.
There you go. 53?
Yes, 53 pounds.
When I was introduced to the full body cleanse, I not only got off the blood pressure medicine, no longer pre-diabetic, but also I had heartburn and all that, and then lost the weight. I mean, that was to me life-changing.
Full body cleanses help millions of people lose a ton of weight and feel better about themselves in so many ways. So if you're struggling with diabetes or high blood pressure, this cleanse is a must. And for a limited time, get a nice discount at checkout with the promo code DISH. Go to Dherbs.com, promo code DISH. That's Dherbs.com, promo code DISH. Hey, don't forget to hit us up on social media. We're on all these platforms at Dish Nation. We'll see you there.